In this video, I'm going to show you how to display up-to-the-minute stats on your YouTube channel. Now, I don't mean the 48 hours, I mean up-to-the-minute stats for the whole of the current month. I'll show you how to do it in YouTube Studio right now. So, as I'm recording this video, it is January 6th here in Sydney. But I can only display statistics up until January 4. Ouch. Well, hang on. It's not January 6 in YouTube land. YouTube land uses Pacific time. So it's actually January the 5th. And to be accurate, it's 5:14 p.m. on January the 5th. So where are my stats for today, for January the 5th? Well, yeah, I can look at this real-time stats here, and I can keep track of all of that. That's great. So that's currently 12:14 my time, which is 5:14 Pacific time. But then I'd have to go and add all of these up. Pretty messy. And this is for the last 60 minutes. This is for the last 48 hours. But all pretty messy. There's a better way to do it. Well, surely can't I just go into here and do a custom? Remember, today is January the 6th, and I want to show January up to the January the 5th, but I can't do that. What if I type it in here, January 5? Let me try that. Nope, can't do it. So here's how to do it. There we are. I have got the whole of January, January 1 through January 31. I've got the statistics. Of course, this time hasn't even occurred yet, but right now, January 5 statistics are right there. How did I do that? Look, custom January 1 through 31. How did I do that? I actually did some magic here by pumping in the Unix epoch time. Don't worry about it. If you don't know what that is the time that is the number of seconds from 1st of January 1970. So this is the 1st of January 2021 through to midnight on the 31st of January 2021. So I basically just typed all of this in here. Now, if you want to do this on your channel, here's how to do it. You would need to do, just for January, you would need to replace that with your URL and then copy that in. Obviously, you need access to YouTube Studio. You put in your channel URL and put in all the rest of that string and run that, and you will be able to see the whole of January's statistics. You can look at your revenue for January, or you can look at your reach and how many impressions, what the click-through rate is right up to the minute. Okay, up to today, which is wonderful. So if you want to do this, check out the link below and I will include an email. I'll send you an email. What you need to do is just pop in that channel ID. So how do you get your channel ID? Well, you can simply cut and paste from here, or you can go into customization and view channel. And if you've got a custom URL, that will work again. That will work as well. So if you want to display up-to-date statistics for January, then pop your email address in below and I'll send you a link giving you all of these instructions.